2022 is here, and so is COVID. You're totally excited to achieve your dreams, your goals, your resolutions made for 2022. But now you're not so sure of how that is going to be possible with the world and the health scenario and the things that are happening around you. Well, here is the thing. Today, what I'm going to tell you is something so amazing and potent that if you just understand this, whatever is it that you want to achieve, especially in this year, will be absolutely possible. My name is Arpit Arora. I'm India's leading personal finance expert and passive income coach, and I help entrepreneurs and professionals to not be dependent for income from their single source, which is their business, job, or profession. So today I'll be talking about how we have so many dreams that we have so many things that we want to do. We have big plans, but why is it that we're not able to achieve it? And what is it that we can do to ensure that we're able to achieve them? And this is how we're going to start 2022 so that you're able to get to where you want to be before this year ends. See, when we talk about plans and all the things that we want to do, I want you to understand life never really goes as per our plan, does it? Can we really control everything around us? We plan for so many things, but not all of them happen. And when that happens, we get dejected. We feel depressed and we lack the motivation to still continue to take the next step. Can you relate to this? I'm sure you can. Now think again. See, when you are walking on a long journey of achieving whatever is it that you want to achieve, the plan, what you have, is just a route to get there. What you really should be focusing on is the destination, and that destination could be your passion or purpose. When your destination is clear, when your passion and purpose is clear, whatever route that you might take, which is your plan, that can alter with circumstances, because you know as a fact that circumstances are always going to change. They will never be in your favor. Things will never go as per plan. The thing is, your destination and your purpose, if that is clear, if that is absolutely solidified in your mind, it does not really matter what plan that you have thought for yourself. Because if plan A does not work, plan B, plan C, plan D, you can have as many number of plans as long as they reach the same destination, as long as they reach the same passion or the same purpose. There's so many times in my life that I've failed in so many things that I've done. On the quest that I am to educate more than 1 million middle-class Indians so that they never have to worry about money, so that they can live a passionate life, I have faced so many obstacles. When I started, I was too young, and then I was competing with people who were too big. Then I was talking to clients who thought they knew too much. And so many other things came in my way, but I kept on finding ways. So I changed my plan. I changed from plan A to plan B. I'm probably on plan Z right now, or maybe even more versions. The thing is, we should not feel dejected when our plan does not go as how we thought it would. It's absolutely okay. In fact, it's a blessing that you have learned one more way which does not work. Think of Thomas Edison, found 2000 ways in which a bulb cannot be made. The last one was the one actually which worked. So every plan which does not work is just telling you this is a path which is not worth pursuing. Try something else. But the only thing is, if you have the same vision, the same purpose, the same passion, if you're working on that same end goal, it does not matter. The one thing that you should not do is not change the passion, purpose, or the vision, because if that changes, then you're starting all over again. If you've made a mistake, if you've found one more way which does not work, which means there is less work to be done now to actually achieve the same goal. Ever thought about it like that? So I just want to start this year with sharing something as potent as this with you to help you to actually get started on whatever is it that you want to achieve, to ensure that you do not feel dejected on this path, which is never going to be easy. But most importantly, the path will always give you the sure success if you just keep on trying. This is Arpit Arora signing off, and God bless you. Wish you a very, very amazing 2022.